couple months ago, I purchased this old dresser from an estate sale for $10. I sanded it down, got rid of the blue top. My plan is to stain the top a dark brown color and paint the remaining of the dresser probably a yellow color. What do you think about that? You'll have to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I had to do some sanding, fill in the old holes for the old hardware as I'm giving it new hardware. And here's a quick look at this yellow paint. I think this is going to look pretty cool. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new video on a project that I'm working on. Got tons of projects ahead of me. I'm always doing something, so make sure you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for spending some time with me today. Hopefully catch you back here every Sunday at 7 p.m. for another one. Thanks a lot, take care, and have a great day.